Oh, hi guys, Bruce here. Yes, it's another mail day. I think this one's from Ken Small Engines. First of all, Ken Small Engines. The guy okay, I fix stuff that's in front of me, right? You know, might be an MTD, might be an Ariens snowblower, might be a Murray lawnmower, or a John Deere small tractor. But I fix the stuff. There are still things that I don't know, and Ken from Ken Small Engines will just look at it and he'll go, oh, that's this and that and this and that, and you need this, and he'll send me the PDF, and like, he's really smart. So this, I don't know what it is from Ken Small Engines. So thusly, we will have a look. So, thanking you in ahead of time, Ken. Oh my God! I didn't expect this. I think this is a pressure gauge for carburetors and snowblowers, right? Oh, and it comes in Italian too. I'm stunned. Yes, it's the hand pump. Okay. I'll even use this as, oh no, I better not, I'll contaminate it. Hang on. I'll be right there. Don't go away. Don't go away, Matt, just go away. Ken, you knew, buddy, didn't you? You guys have all seen me with a carburetor plugged into one of these, blowing and sucking and, you know, holding the pressure on with my tongue, making sure the pressure stays in the tube. Well, look at that, eh? My goodness. So you put the tube on here and you put it onto the carburetor, be it a bowl carburetor or a two-stroke carburetor or a two-stroke crankcase to check crankcase seals, and you pump it up, right? And you, well, that's pretty cool, man. And you watch for the pressure to drop, and if it drops, then you've got a problem. Unbelievable, buddy. It's a good thing I'm getting more toolboxes. I think I got to do some reading on it. Oh, I see. The gauge is loose. Or something's loose. There we go. Perfect. I heard a hiss. There's not a lot of instructions with it, but the internet, Mr. Google's pretty smart too. Ken, man, I don't know. That's pretty crazy. I will use this. In fact, don't go anywhere. Okay, guys, we got a Briggs carburetor here, and it says on there, should be okay. Should be okay. So let's pump it up. It's hard to, okay, are we here? Well, I heard 5 pounds is good enough. And it's holding at 5. Pretty good. Okay, that's just an example. Let the air out. Oh, and then of course when it's upside down, it'll never seal. Okay, so that, I was right on that one. And this one says test before using. Because I wasn't sure about it, right? It's a different carburetor. And it's dropping. See that? Oh, there, let's hold it straight up. Oh, it's holding. That's it. I'm just doing it in a few seconds, right? And then this one, there's 3 carburetors already. This one says corroded. Okay, Ken, can you tell that I'm excited? Okay, this one says corroded. And it's not even pumping up. So I'm new at this, shaky. Okay, no more sucking on plastic hoses. Thank you, Ken. Gotta go show Mrs. P. Amazing. So, guys, Ken's Small Engines, and he's really active online. He's got his own live stream on StreamYard, and he goes on all the other guys' live streams, Mix Mowers and Snobby Scrappicker and Dusty Blonde and quite a few others. I'm sorry if I've missed you. But anyway, thank you, Ken. I will put your channel name in the description, and we'll carry on. Thank you so much. Once again, I'm blown away. Bye. Thanks a lot, guys.